So, I need a new rim. Motherfucker. So I can have nice things. Alright, so from what I can see, this looks like the only real issue. Well, there's a few, but this seems to be the one, because I can't find a hole in it. And if there was a hole in it, it would be, oh, there it is. Okay, it's not the rim. It's that. So this wasn't even the problem. Fucking around with this tonight anyway, so. I need a new tire. Okay. Easy enough.